Experience the epitome of luxury crafting with our Italian Luxury Soutache trim. Designed for discerning artisans, this trim boasts a higher density, requiring a delicate touch but delivering unparalleled results. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, our Soutache Ornamental Braid ensures uniform width, thickness, and drape, making it the perfect complement to other materials like rayon and polyester for stunning jewelry designs. Made of acetate, our Soutache trim offers the luxurious look and feel of silk without the worry of shrinking or static cling. Its softness and excellent drape make it a joy to work with, while its resilience to mildew and moths ensures longevity for your creations. And with minimal static cling and no issues with pilling, you can focus on crafting without distractions. What sets our Soutache trim apart is its colorfastness and ease of care. Resistant to perspiration stains and fading, it maintains its vibrancy through dry cleaning, ensuring your creations look stunning for years to come. Whether you're embellishing clothing, accessories, or jewelry, our Italian Luxury Soutache trim is the epitome of sophistication and elegance. Elevate your crafting projects with the rich colors, consistent sheen, and exquisite drape of our Soutache trim and create heirloom pieces that will be cherished for generations.